Electric ovens have several basic components: the control board, temperature sensor, the broil element, and the bake element. The control board is the brains of the oven. It regulates power to the oven elements, initiates self-cleaning, and displays time and temperature settings. After the cooking temperature is set, the control board sends 120 volts through both sides of the heating elements. Once the oven is preheated, the control board monitors the temperature sensor. It will cycle the elements on and off to maintain the cooking temperature. The broil setting uses just the broil element to brown the top of the food. The bake setting uses both elements, with the majority of the heat coming from the bake element below. In convection ovens, a fan is used to circulate air around the oven. This helps the food to cook more evenly. If the temperature sensor fails, then it can prevent the oven from heating at all. Additionally, in some models, a blown thermal fuse or a faulty limit switch can also prevent the elements from receiving power. Now, if the oven is underheating and is not cooking food properly, then it's likely that one element has stopped working. Alternatively, if both heating elements are working and your oven isn't getting hot enough, then it's likely a faulty temperature sensor. The oven sensor is a heat-sensitive resistor known as a thermistor. The control board sends an electrical current through the sensor to determine the temperature. If the resistance is outside of the rated values, then the control board will misread the temperature and will overcompensate. This can cause the oven to overheat or underheat. The control board also monitors the oven and will display an error code if something goes wrong. Error codes will point you in the right direction, but won't tell you exactly what has failed. To narrow down the problem, watch the troubleshooting videos linked in the description below. For more troubleshooting videos on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.